Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the video. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back into a brand new week of more videos I'm gonna upload. So, of course, I did not upload for Monday and Tuesday, so I do want to apologize for that. But also, I brought back the webcam, so yeah, I have a big forehead. I just know I always seen every time I record a video, I have a big forehead when I bring my hair all the way here, cause it's large hair. It's pretty much dangles around. So mostly I do it like this, but now I'm gonna take you guys time showing some other things that we have here. So this one right here, this is a Ford F-150, but this is a 2001, I think, Ford F-150, Harley Davidson edition. So I learned some things about this Harley Davidson F-150. This was a special build with Ford and Harley Davidson during SEMA 2001 or 2002. I think they said they were building only 12,000 units of this car. I only just read just a little bit. I think it's a supercharged 5.4 liter V8. I don't remember. It was yesterday since I heard an article about this car, but it's a super nice car. For a more cleaner F-150. Oh, my camera just went down. Let me fix that right quick. But yeah, this vehicle is a pretty cool one. I thought it was just a person bringing by and just put like he loves Harley Davidson, so you try to put the badge. But it's actually that's how Ford sell the car like that. So that was pretty cool. Way to do collaborations with other businesses, of course. But honestly, this one is need to be treated up because you can see the lights are glimmering down. The hood's not that. The hood's basically about to lose the clear coat. Even the roof, even the other side over here, it was just losing the touch as well. Even the seats, all the badges are gone, all that stuff. And mostly we're just repairing this side right here because this fender and this door were touching, and you can hear it when basically it won't open all the way out. So of course we got a replacement door and of course the replacement fender. Of course the bumper as well. It's getting resprayed. I think we get the brand new or we are using the old one. So I don't remember, but I think we are. No, I think no. We're using the reuse the bumper as well. So that one's primer down, ready to go. Um, I do have a photo right here down the screen that we did respray the door, but basically on the door jamb. Well, not the door jambs. I'm sorry. Behind the door, not the exterior side of the door, but the sides near the door panels and all that stuff. So yeah, pretty much that's it for it. Let me show you the other photos. I just picked two photos. What it's at. Take the other side. This is the more clear version of it. It's the black with the kind of like a tonish thing. Is a two-tone color with the red, or just a little stick, a little piece that you can just wrap it around here. But I think it's a two-tone color. I'm quite not sure. I didn't really take in depth of it, but of course, this whole side's gonna be painted. The bed's not gonna be included, but mostly here the bumper, the fenders, and the two doors and all that stuff. So it's gonna look good. Um, Kind of imagine I do want to see one, resprayed again. Hopefully, I think in the future, if this guy wants to do it, it'll be a nice video for that. So, let's get right back to another things. Of course, this one, uh, sponsored by Bon. No, just kidding. But honestly, this one, I did show a lot of videos of basically paint jobs on rims. So this one right here are some 4G Gato rims on a more darkish tone blue, and basically this blue is from a 2023 BMW. I forgot the BMW, but they honestly, of course, they gave us the VIN, and mostly we called the dealership, try to see what's the paint code. This was the paint code for this, like a more dark tonish blue, as well. But it looks okay. It looks good. I mean, mostly for me, a lot of people might look at it. It's like it's dark, so it could be black. Just a black paint, but mostly it's a darker tonish blue. You can see a little bit on the light, and mostly of course they look good. It was a pain because the tape wasn't taping on the outer spokes here of the rim, and mostly every time when my dad sprays it. This was the third time I think, or the second time he had to respray everything, and not to get any overspray on the spokes, because mostly uh, during the last, I think the second or first respray, it was a bunch of respray coming off, and then it was coming near the spokes, so we had to sand that down. So we don't have any overspray, but we basically just sand everything back in together, put the tape on it so it can connect or be attached with better sticking. Uh, I can't even speak. But it looked good. I like the rims, the color. It looks good. You know, personally, not my favorite. Even also the logos. The logos that came in, but I didn't take a photo of that. On that, just upper side, I just went over a little bit here, all that stuff. But yeah, cool color, nice. Next for it, this is the B51 Integra. So the other time I didn't really show a lot of photos. I think I showed you guys how the car was on the day that, well, basically Friday when she got it, and mostly she took a photo. And I showed you guys a little bit of it, but this one today, mostly I just took a photo of this thing. I was checking if I didn't have no license plates or anything, but this was the school that I was taking classes with her on stuff. I just said I'm gonna take a picture so I can show you guys the whole vision of it, or the whole clearance of this photo on the sun on a vibrant day. It looks pretty nice. I like the color. I'm digging this color. Just honestly, this color, it's a very nice BMW color. She chose it, of course, but honestly, of course, we can go a little bit better. Of course, this is a paint that's gonna last for long, and the shine will last long as well. So, and as well as the rims. Don't worry, she is gonna change them. So she's gonna chase those rims, and yeah, it's gonna look good. Of course, the other things, of course, that a lot of things that was need to be improved is pretty much. I think the car, if you want to make it, if she wants to make it, more like came from the factory, it's all these moldings, the windshield wipers, all this stuff, as well. To make it as clean as possible, of course. And honestly, this color is perfect with this car. So just clear in mind, that's just another photo of all this stuff as well. Kind of like from the last two episodes I did last week. So yeah, just be wrong with that. But next, the last two photos is the ones I'm talking about on the thing. What's this photo? I don't know what's. But yeah, this is where the door is. Basically, where the door was resprayed on the back side. The tomorrow will be on the front side of the door, and this one right here is the one. I was moving at the same time. This was the fender as well, going in the inner side of it where it's going to be connected inside near the engine bay, all that stuff. So we're going to flip that and get that painted back into black as well. But that's going to wrap. I'm not good. That's pretty much it for the video. There was not a lot of stuff as well for this week, but hopefully throughout this couple days of this week, of course, making the videos, making the content, of course, and uh, try and get some photos or try to get some shots that you guys would probably like to see. But anywho, I'm gonna take for that. I'll say good night to everyone, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.